Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Saturday. How's your weekend going so far? We're here, it's day 89 of the Quarantine Gardeners. That's Sean and I.
That's us.
And this is our 89th video since we started quarantine back in March.
Wow, gosh, seems so long ago.
It does.
Yep. So if you don't know, we're the Quarantine Gardeners, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing projects around our garden while under quarantine. So hopefully you're getting some good ideas to do out in your garden too, and maybe some inspiration.
Yeah, and we're so happy you're here. And for those of you that have been following along, thank you so much for being a part of this. And for those of you that are new, welcome. And go ahead and subscribe down below and hit that button so that you don't miss any of our videos.
So guys, we thought we'd do something new this Saturday. We've been doing a lot of seed updates and plant updates. Well, we wanted to switch it up because kind of everything's planted. So we wanted to switch it up and give you some tool ideas. We wanted to review some tools and show you some good tools to use out in your garden.
So we're gonna call it Garden Tool Saturday. And like Sean said, every Saturday we'll highlight one new tool, something that we use and cannot live without. We'll show you how to best use it, how we use it, and where to find one for yourself.
And we'll put the link down below in the description of this video for you, so you can check it out.
Today, we're starting with a tool we absolutely cannot live without in our garden, a simple hand trowel. So we want to show you what it is for those of you that don't know or have never used one, and talk about why you really need one.
We have our hand trowels here. There's two different kinds that we have here. One's just a regular trowel you might see almost anywhere. You can see it's got this nice gradual curve around it, and it's a little bit shorter. It's like stockier almost. And you'll see these around almost anywhere. They're fairly inexpensive and they're great to use. And now the other one I have here is more of a digging and planting trowel. And you can see it's got more length than the other one. Not too much, but a little bit more. It's a lot narrower, so you can get it into the soil a lot easier and get down deep. You might notice it's got these hash marks here. These are inch markings. And so this trowel itself is great to use when you're planting specific plants that need to be planted at a specific depth, like bulbs or other plants that you can get down to a specific depth for that root. So you can see also the difference in these two trowels. One's just got a straight handle. It's got some grip, some easy grip markings on it. The other one is more ergonomic and it fits better in your hand. It's actually got finger grips in here so you can really get a hold of it and push and pull with it and use it. These are just two different kinds that we have at our house. There's a lot of different kinds out there, different shapes. Some of them even have like serrated edges if you want to cut with it, like certain plants, or they have pointed ones. And so those are great too. It's just whatever you feel comfortable using. The first thing we want to show you that a hand trowel is great for is weeding. So you can see we've got our little dandelion weed right here. We get down in there, it's growing through some of our vinca. We're gonna find the base of it. There it is right there. We're gonna take this and you just basically try to get underneath those roots and push it up. And so use your other hand to get it, grip it. You wanna get the roots. And I didn't get the roots with that one, but we've exposed the roots, so we're gonna keep pulling. There we go, see? That's what we wanna get. So the technique is to get down by it, get underneath those roots and try and pop it up. If you just cut it and you just take the top off, this is the crown, it's just gonna regrow again. You're gonna have the same problem all over again. So remember, down and up. So guys, the second great use for a hand trowel is transplanting and planting. So what we're gonna do is show me transplanting one of these little seedlings, these tomato seedlings, into our side garden over here. So first things, I can't transplant it yet because I don't have a hole dug yet. So first we're gonna dig a hole. So you see I just get this, you can use it to really get in here and dig this up, break up the soil. This trowel works really good for this. You can really get in there and get down deep because it's got that long edge to it. We're gonna break things up. Here's our planting hole. Now we're gonna take the same trowel. We're gonna find a nice seedling to get out of here. And so I think there's one right there. I'm gonna take this, pop this down, and go around it so I loosen it up. And then we're gonna go underneath it. Kind of like what we tried to do with that weed, but we're gonna try and keep this intact as best possible. Get that up, and then we're just gonna place it down in here.
Do you guys have a favorite hand trowel, or have you used this in your garden before? Because we use ours all the time.
Yep, let us know down in the comments. If you have any questions, leave those down below too. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And thank you for watching. We actually would love to hear some feedback too. Do you like the Garden Tool Saturday idea? Do you have any ideas for tools that you want us to review? Otherwise, you guys, thank you so much for watching and for being here today. We hope you have a great weekend ahead. Come on back tomorrow and watch our next video with another new project in our yard.
Until then, stay safe. We're all in this together. We're getting through it. And we'll see you tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye.